So Matilda Jane Clothing is a direct sales apparel company, really founded on whimsical girls' designs. Direct sales is a little bit of a unique model. We have about 1,800 trunk keepers is what we call them, that really just come to your home, or you can go to their home and view the collection. We are looking to have a wonderful creative vision. However, we need to temper that with sales data.
Panoply as part of our data stack has been really a game changer for us. We used to have to take 4, 5, 6 different sources of data, mash it all together, and then wait hours. And it was so time consuming to just query it all. Now I'm able to refresh that every day. Our data stack today consists of several MySQL and SQL databases that feed directly into Panoply as our data warehouse.
Data and insights have made a huge difference to Matilda Jane's business, especially from a marketing perspective. One of the things that we have recently started doing is trying to reactivate lapsed customers. For us, we couldn't see in the past who was lapsed and what those people bought. So for us, it allows us to reach out to people who haven't shopped with a message that they really care about.
I can kind of manipulate it any way I like to find the information that is going to be most useful to me. And of course, I will use that to create the most saleable collection for the coming year. So every day we're looking at sales and interpreting that and how to react moving forward. So on any given day, we're designing a year out.
I use customer data all the time. We look at it constantly just to make sure that things are still going well, that our customer file is active, that our trips per customer are holding. So it's kind of a litmus test on how the business is doing.
Our data challenges as a company continue to change every day, week, and month. We are growing fairly rapidly, and as we do that, we need to know more about what's happening in our business. So Panoply is really filling a really big need that we had for a long time, and we ultimately didn't even know we had that need.